Now for 0 0, what is it? My output is, so we are only constructing the K map for the output variable Z. So it is 0 0 0 and 0 0 1. But for 1 1 it is cross cross. So the grouping will be like this way. Okay. So see first row wise. What is common? Common is Q1. See column wise. What is common? 1, that is X. So Q1 dot X. So we have three equations. First one is for D1, D0, and third is for the Z, that is the output equation. First two are the excitation equation. The third one is my output equation. Okay. For Mealy machine, we haven't defined for the Moore machine, right? That we'll discuss in the next session. Before that, we are going to design its circuit diagram. We have two excitation equation, D1 and D0, and one output equation for Z. Right? For excitation equation, what we need to do is, as we have already discussed, we are going to use a D flip-flop. And how many flip-flops are going to be required? Flip-flop requirement is 2. Why? Because we know that we have assigned a 2 variable separately to the each state. So 2 variable means we need to store that 2 variable to 2 flip-flop, because one flip-flop will store only a 1 bit, right? So 2 flip-flops are there, D flip-flop, 2 outputs, Q and Q bar. Over here Q bar represents bubble over here, okay? Q bar. Alright? Now input to this first flip-flop is D0. That means this is my D0 and this is my D1. This is D1, this is D0. Right? Now for D0, what is the input? Input is Q1 bar, Q0 bar dot X. What is my X? X is the input variable. Now how to draw it? See, we need to use Q1 bar. Q1 bar is this. So Q1 bar is coming over here, and Q0 bar is coming from over here, and the X. So the ending of these three. Why? Because dot is there. Okay. So ending of these three will make your output, that is equals to D0, which is going to be applied to this flip-flop. For D1, what is my excitation equation? It is Q0 dot X. What is Q0? It's coming from over here, Q0, right? This one, over here. And Q1. Q0 is going to be ended with X and Q1 is going to be ended with X. And this is, will be its output, which is going to be OR with my these two midterms and going to be applied to the D1. Okay? And for Z, over here, what is my inputs? Inputs are Q1 and X. So Q1 is coming from over here. So this Q1 and second input is X. And both are ANDed with each other. So we are going to use AND gate. So Q1 dot X, the resultant will be Z. Alright? Now, we are focusing on transferring onto the K map to derive its excitation equation. As we have done our session for Mealy machine, we are moving forward towards a Moore machine. We know that in Moore machine we have defined a 4-state A, B, C0, C1, right? For that, the first task is, before deriving its excitation equation, we are going to assign the state Q1 and Q0, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. There are 4 states, right? So how to draw its excitation table for Murray machine? Method is, we have already done this excitation table for 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. As there is a no don't care condition, because we have defined for Murray machine there are 4 states, right? So for the 4 states, we are first defining D1 and the D0. Why? Because based on this excitation equation, we are able to design the finite state machine circuit diagram. Alright? So how to draw it? For D1, as we know, D1 represents most significant bit and D0 represents the least significant bit. For D1, it is like 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 1, 1. So we are going to do like this, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 1, 1. Right? And for D0, how to write it? Consider the LSB 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1. See over here, 1, 0 is there and 1, 1 is there. And in this, 1, 0 is in downwards and 1, 1 is in upwards. Right? Now the time is to make a grouping of number of ones. First these 2 ones and these 2 ones. The equation will be Q0 dot x, Q1 dot x. As we have seen, it is similar to the Mealing machine diagram. But for this, the first group is this. And second group, as we can't make the group of the single one, as we can fold my K map into like this, vertically. So we can make a group of this one and this one. Okay? So for this, what is my equation? What is my main term? Main term is Q1 x. We have written already over here. Q1 dot x plus this group and this group. What is my main term? Main term will be, what is the common in row wise? The common is Q0 bar. And for input x, it is Q0 bar dot x. So this is the state equation or excited equation for D0 and for D1, D1 and D0. Alright? Now, for Z, we have already defined that we are going to write the Z, that is output, for the separate column. So we are also defining the outputs equation from the excitation table. So what does it mean? It will be like only one single one is there. Okay, so that one is presented for 1, 1. So Q1 and Q0. So the Z is equals to Q1 dot Q0. Alright. Now we are going to design its circuit diagram for Murray machine. So D0 is equals to Q1 dot x. We have 2 excitation equation and 1 output equation. Q1 dot x, Q0 bar plus Q0 bar dot x. And D1 is equals to Q0 dot x and Q1 dot x. Right? And Z is equals to Q1 dot Q0. The method is same. This is for D flip-flop, 2 flip-flops are there. But over here, number of gate requirement is going to be increased for Murray machine, as there are 4 states. Okay. First, we are focusing on D0. For D0, it is like Q1 dot x. So Q1 is coming from over here. This is Q1. X is the input variable. So multiply ending of Q1 and x plus Q0 bar is coming from over here and Q0 bar dot x. So these two are going to be odd over here, these two. This and this is. And OR with OR this two mean-term and apply to the D0. Okay? Over here, Q0 dot x. So Q0 is coming from over here and x is there. Both are ended, and Q1 dot x. Q1 is coming from over here, ended with x. So over here, or is there. Okay, you need to understand that because I haven't drawn or over here. Otherwise, competitively going to be increased for simplicity of understanding. Okay, I haven't drawn over here. So two ORs are there, and output of OR is going to be added with the D0 and D1. For Z, what is it? Q1 added with Q0. So Q0 and Q1. Okay, this is the AND operation, and it is output is Z. Okay, so this we have done the state equation, excitation equation. We have drawn a state table for Mealy and Murray. Also, we have seen a state, how to draw a state diagram for Mealy and Murray. What's the difference between it? And we have seen how to draw a circuit diagram for Mealy and Murray. Compared to Mealy, in Murray machine, the number of logic gate requirement is increased. Why? Because number of states are more in the Murray machine. So we can say that as number of states are going to be increased, the number of gate requirement will also going to be increased, and ultimately the cost of my circuit will going to be increased. So what is my next task? My next task is to reduce the number of states. How to reduce it? That we are going to discuss into the next session. Okay. Till then, if you have any question, you can ask me at any time on my email ID. Thank you for your attention.